How to make passive income in the USA Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of passive income. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or achieve financial freedom, these strategies can help you earn money while you sleep. Let's get started. 1. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a great way to earn passive income. Companies pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. Look for dividend aristocrats, which are companies that have consistently increased their dividends over time. 2. Real estate investments. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of income. You can also invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, if you prefer a more hands-off approach. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. It's a way to earn passive income while helping others. 4. Create a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be a lucrative source of passive income. Once you build an audience, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 5. Write an ebook. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider writing an ebook. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to publish and sell your book to a global audience. 6. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable can generate passive income. Share your knowledge and skills with others while earning money. 7. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links on your blog, website, or social media. You earn a commission for every sale made through your link. 8. High-yield savings accounts. While not as lucrative as other options, high-yield savings accounts offer a safe way to earn passive income through interest payments. 9. Rent out your space. If you have extra space, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb. It's a great way to earn money from a property you already own. Conclusion. There you have it. 9 passive income ideas to help you achieve financial freedom. Remember, most passive income streams require an initial investment of time, money, or both. But with persistence and smart choices, you can build a steady stream of income that works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on financial freedom. See you in the next video.
Don't forget like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips on financial freedom. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.